Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert audio in LibreOffice Impress. If you want to do it, first you need to move your cursor to the left upper corner and then you need to click on Insert tab. Now you need to go to Audio or Video Settings, and here this window should be successfully displayed. We need to open the folder where you have your file saved, and now I need to select MP3 file that I want to import. So I click on this one file, test.mp3, and after that I click Open button to import it to my project. It has been successfully inserted here. Of course we can move this icon somewhere there, or we can increase or decrease size of this icon, but of course it doesn't matter because it is only audio file. So if we want to play it, we need to go to Slideshow, and then we need to select here Start from first slide. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you see, file has been successfully played in our presentation, and it is really working. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.